हाय गाइस। तो आज का मेरा टॉपिक है दैट इज सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम। Okay, circulatory system. It is a important topic for the anatomy and physiology of first year BSc nursing. Okay, and it is also for the first year professional medical courses. Okay, now this is circulatory system. We are going through a basic thing that is from the heart. Okay, the first thing is heart. Yes, heart is a muscular organ of pumping the blood. It's meant for blood pumping. Okay, and it is the dimension is about 12 to 9 centimeter. It means 12 centimeter is height and 9 centimeter is width of the heart, and it is 300 grams in males and 250 grams in females. Okay, now this is the dimensions and this is the dimension. Second is layers of the heart. The heart layer or the outermost layer is pericardium. Pericardium. Okay, this pericardium is divided into two types. One is fibrous and serous. Fibrous pericardium and serous pericardium. And in that pericardium, again there are three structure. That is, heart is made up of three structure. One is epicardium, myocardium, and third is endocardium. This epicardium is the outermost layer of the heart. Myocardium is a middle thick muscular part, that is layer of the heart, and it is the inner layer of the heart. It is endocardium. This pericardium has fibrous and serous pericardium. Serous pericardium has two types again, parietal and visceral. In between these parietal and visceral, there is pericardial space or cavity or cavity. This is a pericardial space or cavity. In this, there is a fluid that is called pericardial fluid. Pericardial fluid, and it is meant for the lubrication of the heart during the contraction and relaxation of the heart. Okay, now this is all about the layers of the heart. Next is dimension is completed, layers is completed, and third is chambers of the heart. Chambers of heart. Okay, and they are basically four chambers of the heart. There is first there is atrium and ventricle. Atrium is divided into right and left atrium, right atrium and left atrium, and again ventricle is divided into right ventricle and left ventricle. Okay, this is the chambers of the heart. You can see this is a image. There is a chambers of the heart. Now, yes, next is fourth, valves of the heart. And they are valves of the heart. They are basically four valves. There is valve of the heart. First is tricuspid valve present in the right ventricle. Second is bicuspid or mitral valve, left ventricle. Third is aortic valve, that is fourth is pulmonary valve present in. Okay, yes, this is valves of the heart. Now we will go for normal circulation of the blood. Normal blood circulation. Okay, normal blood circulation. There is a normal circulation. First, yes, let's suppose here the blood which is coming from the inferior vena cava and superior vena cava and yes drain into the first chamber of the heart, that is right atrium, that is in the right atrium, and from right atrium the blood enters in the right ventricle. Okay, here it is a valve that is called tricuspid valve. Okay, that is present in the right atrium and right ventricle. Okay, tricuspid valve, and from this here is a another valve, that is pulmonary valve. Pulmonary valve. By this pulmonary valve, the blood goes to the, yes, the blood goes to the lungs. Okay, these are the lungs. These are the lungs, and from lungs the blood returns, that is oxygenated. Okay, the blood which is returned from the lungs, both the lungs. Okay, and it is drained into the, yes, it is drained into the another chamber of the heart, that is or it is left atrium, in the left atrium, and from left atrium the blood is drained into the left ventricle by the valve, it is here bicuspid valve, and another valve that is present here, that is called mitral valve or aortic valve, that goes to the, yes, to the right here like this, whole of the body. Okay, from body again it is used and joined to goes to every cell, and from every cell there is a deoxygenated blood is there. It means carbon dioxide rich blood that goes to the and enters into the inferior and superior vena cava, all this thing, and again this process occurs. Okay, this is a normal circulation of the blood or blood circulation. Let's recap here. first the blood which is come from the inferior and superior vena cava into the right atrium, that is deoxygenated. That is deoxygenated. It means the carbon dioxide is rich in this blood, deoxygenated blood, and enter in the right atrium. From right atrium, the blood goes to the right ventricle. From right ventricle, there is from right atrium to right ventricle there is a tricuspid valve, and by this valve and the enter in the right ventricle. From right ventricle, there is a contraction of right ventricle. The blood which is present in this chamber that goes to the lungs, and both the lungs, and in the lungs there is a diffusion process. All these things takes place, and the blood is now that is oxygen rich. The blood is now this the from right ventricles to the lungs, that is taken by the pulmonary artery, that is pulmonary artery. It is called as pulmonary artery. Okay, pulmonary artery. From pulmonary artery, the blood from right ventricle to the lungs, and from the lungs to the again left atrium by the pulmonary vein. Okay, you have to remember here this the pulmonary veins are carrying oxygenated blood in this scenario. Okay, the pulmonary veins are carrying oxygenated blood. Now this oxygenated blood come in the left atrium. From left atrium to the left ventricle by this bicuspid valve, and from this bicuspid valve there is a contraction of left ventricle. The blood which is present in the left ventricle goes to the aorta, that is from the aorta to the whole of the body, and from the body every cell use this oxygenated blood, and they produce the carbon dioxide after the metabolism, and the blood converted and again taken by this inferior and superior vena cava, and again this process repeated. Okay, this is all about our normal circulation of the heart. If any doubt is there, let me know in our comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow for more.